Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Okay, so as usual, I'm gonna do an unboxing for a new product that I just bought, and actually this is my second purchase, and I really like this product, so that's why I video and recommend it to you. So it's called Mcdodo from China, and then I bought two different length, which is the first, wait, let me, yeah, okay, 3 meter, okay, and 1.8 meter. So the, the box and design are all same, but I just show you both. So this is the front. See, okay, one box, below the box, okay, 1.8 on top. CA-57, okay, it looks the same. Yeah, okay, on the side, on the side, on top, and behind. So behind, there's a different both, only the code number, so but I just show you both so you know exactly. Okay, yeah, that 3 meter is CA-5773, and 1.8 meter is CA-5772. Okay, let's unboxing it. Which one? It's just the same, but how about unusual one? The 3 meter, because of usually people will buy this 1.8 is a usual length, and the price is very cheap. This 3 meter length is about 15 ringgit. I will state the URL to buy if you're interested to buy. Below the URL will be below the video description. So if you're interested to buy, then you can just click the link. Okay, to behind. This one, okay. Okay, look at the nylon. Okay, that's it. So the box empty. Put it aside. 3 meter. First of all, it looks very premium. It looks like very expensive USB brakes that we will get. And okay, details. Okay. Special thing is it will turn out the green LED when you charge, when you switch it on. And this is the strap. Look how premium it is. 3 meter long, so I don't want to open it or measure it, because it's already 3 meter, and you know how long is 3 meters. So I just put it here. Oh yeah, by the way, let's say today. Okay. Put it aside first. Okay. Before I go to the next step, I would like to show you the description on Shopee, the one that link that I going to provide you. So this is the place where I bought this USB charger Mcdodo. Okay, you can read the description. You can pause video. It says 2.0 fast charging. Yeah, so this is all the review. And too much of people, 73.9k buyers. So I'll put it aside, and what I'm going to do is now we're gonna bring this in. I just bought this charger from Kula. Actually, I don't know how to use it because it always appear like some different numbers, so I don't know which one is for which one. And then now, if you can see, it's 0. If you can read, then let me know how to read the current and also the voltage. And it's 49 4.9. Okay, now how about we put this? This is a 3.0 Qualcomm charger, and then 5 volt. This is 5 volt. I wish this is original that I bought. I thought that but I don't know. I wish it's 3.0. Oh, but this is until 2.0. Yeah, I just remember. Okay. Okay, now it's 0. Now I'm gonna charge to my Asus Zenfone. Wait. Okay, that's good enough. 1, 2, 3. It's charging. Now got 0.68. 4.9 volt. 0.78A. And then 0.0 volt again. I don't know how to read this. If you can read this and if it's an original true reader, then I want to know what is actually this. I just blindly buy because of I thought I just want to know whether this every USB or everything that I touch, whether it's Qualcomm 3.0 or not. So you see that? Correct? 4.9 0.78, which is if how about we charge at this 5 volt. Okay, the maximum is 5 volt. That's 5 volt also. 0.58. What that 0.1 75.1 0.97, so that's a 1.0. It's about the same also for the both, yeah, charger, or maybe because of the limit of the this wire is until 2.0, which is 2.0 Qualcomm is actually until 9 volt, but I haven't seen 9 volt, and this is fast charging phone also. Tell me what's wrong. Okay, so thank you for watching. my video, and don't forget the link to buy the Mcdodo charger will be below the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.